It's as important to plan your day as it is to plan your life. I'm Garth Delikan, the lifestyle guy, and for 25 years I've been helping people just like you make significant lifestyle and career changes, not just physically but also mentally and emotionally and also spiritually, and can take just as little as 20 minutes a day if you follow the guides in my online program, the Garth Delikan Academy. Now, it's important to plan your day as it is to plan your life. Why do I say that? If you've been following me, you know I think that life should have purpose and direction. If you want to make significant changes to your life, to your career, to your body, to your mindset, you can't just wake up in the morning and have no direction, be aimless. You have to have a purpose, you have to have a direction, you have to have a major goal, and you have to have mini goals to reach that goal. Now, for me, I have a ritual every morning that I've followed, and I've followed through for 8-9 years now. And I'm going to share it with you, like I've shared it with hundreds of other people, and it's made a significant difference to their lives. Now, when you first wake up in the morning, you might not feel like doing anything, and that's normal. Believe me, that is normal. So on a scale of 1 to 10, with 0 being completely not wanting to do anything and 10 being fired up, here's what you need to do to get to a 10 as soon as that alarm goes off. So every morning I set my alarm for 7 o'clock, and without fail I pull the cover straight back as soon as that alarm has gone off. I don't snooze or anything. I sit straight up in bed, put my feet on the ground, and I breathe in 5 times. Then I make my bed. Making your bed is really important. It tells your mind that you've got a mission in life, you've got a purpose, and your mind is neat and tidy, and that means your day is going to be neat and tidy. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably now about a 1.5. Part of my next ritual, I go to the kitchen and I pour myself a glass of water with apple cider vinegar and lemon.